Talk to me.
Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is lachelletrends, and sis, as you can see, we have us another unit, and today we are working with some color. Like, girl, it's perfect for the summertime. But yeah, this unit was sent to me from Divatress. I will have them and this unit linked in the description box below. Per usual, it's going to be a review slash install. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. On my channel, I do hair videos, fashion videos, as well as playing makeup. So go ahead and join the gang, sis. And don't forget to hit that notification bell as well, girl, so you can be notified of each video I post. So yeah, let's jump into it. Okay, y'all, so don't mind the way I look in my hair. I know it's a mess. Girl, it's tough being natural. Anyway, so this unit, again, came from Divatress, and they sent over this unit right here. Girl, I cannot wait for this unit. Let me tell you, I cannot wait because the color, girl, the color is just... it's everything. It is serious. Oh, the color is everything. Let's go ahead and take her out. I'm super excited about this color. Sis. Okay. Y'all, look at this color. Look at this color. Okay. All right, here she is in its entirety. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna let y'all see the color. Super pretty. It's like this mauve pink. It's a little lighter at the top, like more blonde at the top. I don't even know if you can get the gist of it, just because the lights and everything make it look a little odd. But yeah, it's a little lighter up here, like more blonde, and you can tell that it's mixed with blonde, and then it kind of has like streaks of the pink, and then it blends so perfectly right through here. And then of course it's like this burgundy right here, and then I'm seeing like pink in the middle. So yeah, girl, the color is everything. Anyways, so this unit is from Bobbi Boss. It's their glueless lace wig. What is it called? The style is MLF 251 Arya. Am I saying that right? Arya, girl, something with an A and an R and a Y and an A. So we're gonna say Arya. Yeah, okay, we'll say it's Arya. The color is TT Rose Mary. This is a 13x4 deep lace unit, HD transparent lace. It has a midi fresh, safe and clean cap. It's pre-plucked with realistic density and a natural hairline. It says it's natural, hand-tied, flawless, free party, natural baby hairs. And yeah, this is the stock card. The color on the stock card is really pretty as well. That color is HLTT1222. So that color is definitely gorgeous as well. But you know, I have to step outside of the box and get color. Like, I love color. It says on the back that it's curling iron safe. Of course, Bobbi Boss never says what temperature it can go up to, but we'll keep it at the bare minimum, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't go over that. It just says it has a flexible fit cap and undetectable lace, guided, glueless, security, and style. All right, so pretty much everything is what I already said. So again, we'll have another look at this beautiful unit, and then let's look at the hairline. This is what the hairline is giving. I'm not sure, again, if you guys can see the baby hairs. It says it comes pre-plucked with baby hairs. And then this is the inside. It has two combs at the top, one on either side. It as well has a comb at the bottom along with adjustable straps. So girl, and then it says it's a flexible fit. Okay. So that is what we are looking like, sis. Let's go ahead and put this beauty on. So I'm starting off by tinting my lace using my Black Radiance contour palette. On this unit, I do recommend using powder just because you don't want the lace being tinted brown, in which I kind of got that with this powder. Even though I typed lightly as mess, it still kind of turned brown and seeped through the lace. And I think even with the spray, it will kind of be worse than that. But I mean, if you're a pro at it, do it. But I just recommend using powder. But yeah, girl, now I'm just putting on the wig. To lay my wig, I'll be using my Got To Be glue free spray, and I'm just going to spray along the hairline and then blow dry it in. So now I'm going back in with some more powder because as you can see, my lace is white. So yeah, I'm gonna go back in with some more powder and then repeat the same steps by going in with some Got To Be glue free spray and then blow drying it in, and it's just gonna create the perfect melt. So now we're going to style the unit, or not necessarily style the unit. First, before styling, I want to show you guys the parting space, and let's just talk about it because the parting space wasn't really giving what I thought it should give, and I kind of forgot to mention this in the end when I do talk about the wig. But anyways, so I felt like the parting space could have been a little better. I feel like you hit a lot of tracks in the center. Even though it's a 13x4, the tracks are curved and they're not straight. So I feel like it just lessened the parting space that you have. So I feel like they could have did a lot better. And then you can see the tracks through the blonde hair. So yeah, it's just kind of, I don't know, sis. It could be better. But yeah, sis, with all of that, I'm still going to try to do this little side part. I'm trying to get it as close to the side as I possibly can because again, I told you the tracks curve. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, and once I get it to my liking, I'm going to go in with my hot comb to lay it as flat as I can. Now I got my wax stick and I'm just putting that all along the part, and then after I get it all, you know, get it all in there and whatnot and get it in the front, I'm gonna go back in with my hot comb. And again, y'all, I'm just trying to get it to lay flat and just style it how I like, you know, like it to be. So now for these baby hairs, I'm gonna go ahead and take some hair out on the sides, and then after I get it to my liking, I'll be cutting them and then using my little flat iron to curl them up, and then to lay them down, I'll be using my Got To Be glue free spray. Girl, so now that my baby hairs are done, I'm just going to touch up the front, going back in with my hot comb and my wax stick, girl, because we got to have this wig slayed. So now I'm going in with some oil sheen. Sis, do not skip this step. I repeat, do not skip this step. If you don't have some oil sheen, grab you some oil, grab you something, because this unit is in need of some moisture. As you can see, it is a little on the drier side, and combing this unit was a little tough, so you do need to bring some moisture to this unit. So that's what you see me doing. I'm just spraying the oil sheen in my hand, and I'm putting that throughout the wig, and then I'm combing it through, and just, girl, I'm doing all types of stuff to bring this wig back to life, because trust me, sis, it definitely needs it. Okay, girl, so this is what we ended up looking like, and sis, the color, that's all I got to say. The color is everything. Look at the color, girl. And then it has like this little streak right here. Like, the color is everything, sis. Super cute. Let me turn around so you can see the back. And girl, if it's not like, if it's nappy, it's all right. All right. Hopefully it wasn't too like matted up. Let me stand up so it comes all the way down like to my butt. So yeah, super cute. The color is just gorgeous. Okay, let's get situated. Girl, it's a lot of hair too. Okay, so let's talk about this unit. So I think I really have like a love-hate relationship with this unit. So let me tell you all of the things. So I wouldn't say that this is like super big head friendly, because it does fit snug on my head, and you guys know I have a big head if you can't tell. And I did struggle a little bit to get it on. However, I was already going in knowing that that would probably be a problem as soon as it said glueless. I feel like glueless units tend to be a little bit more snug, just for the simple fact that it's glueless and they want you to be able to wear it glueless. So it naturally will need to have like a snug fit, so you know it doesn't go anywhere if you don't put any glue on it. So it's kind of to be expected. Nothing against, you know, Bobbi Boss or whatever. I just, you know, just for me, I wish it just was a little bit looser. I feel like if it was a little loose, I would still be able to wear it as a glueless unit, but my head is big. So, I mean, it just is what it is, but it is in between not big hair friendly and big hair friendly, just depending on your head size. The texture of the hair. Now, this is where it just comes, it's okay. Let's just talk about it. The texture. So immediately after getting it out of the package, when I touched it, I noticed that it was coarse, which you guys already know I'm fine with coarse hair. Y'all see my hair at the beginning of this video. Child, I am used to coarse hair. That is my texture. But sis, like, this hair, it tangles, and with the length, with it being so long, I can only imagine how it's gonna be once I get outside and wear this unit. Like, sis, I already know I'm gonna come back and just look like a mess. I already know. Like, this is one of those units to where you would definitely need to carry you a paddle brush and or a wide tooth comb just to comb it throughout the day, because you are definitely going to receive some tangles. As always, I put some oil sheen on it, but that really didn't even do much. Like, yeah, it didn't do much. Like right now, I can barely run my fingers through it like I'm running through it because I didn't comb through it so many times. This side is better than this side. This side has a little bit more tangles, but sis, it's like dry. Like you definitely need the oil sheen. You will receive some shedding. I'm not sure. I did I did pluck this unit off camera just because I thought I was going to put it into a ponytail and I didn't want my hairline looking crazy, and I end up not doing it. But I want to say maybe because I plucked it, but again, y'all, I really don't think that's the reason. I think because of the color, it tends to shed a little bit more. It's not a lot, but it does shed. So just with the tangling, the shedding, like sis, this is one of those units where I really thought I was gonna cut it maybe up to here because I didn't want to like mess with the color because the color is just gorgeous. So yeah, probably what I would do if I do end up wearing this unit is like just a little bit at a time, just cut it, you know, cut it here, cut it there, or whatever, and that will keep the longevity of this unit. So the first week you wear it in its entirety. The second week, cut it just a little bit, and that'll probably keep your wig a little bit last longing. Did that even make sense? It'll probably last longer because, girl, this is a tangler for sure, but the color is just super gorgeous. Like you cannot help but to like her because of the color. The lace melted fine. I'm not sure what it looks like on camera, but in person, sis, we are melted. We are definitely melted. I didn't put any more powder off camera, nor did I put any powder down the part. I tend to not do so with blonde units, and it's not a blonde unit, but it's a lighter fair color because I don't want the powder to get in the mix right here and just be looking just raunchy to me. And especially like right now, it's okay. It's like the, you know, the powder for me doing the lace, you can see where it's like brown or whatever, which is fine, but it kind of turns yellow. So I try to do little as possible because I don't really like when it gets like that. So yeah, that's why I didn't put any powder down the hairline or down the part or whatever. But overall, sis, I think this unit is pretty. It has potential. Like, the color is definitely giving. I probably again will cut it a little shorter and I probably would like it better. The only downfall to this unit is the tangling and just the hair itself. The hair, I don't know. So yeah, girl, I'll have it linked in the description box below if you want to get your hands on it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.